Hi, I'm Phil, founder of Philip Clay Design Limited, and we specialise in high-end bespoke kitchens and fitted cabinetry.
And I'm Keely. I joined the business with Phil about 5 years ago. We're a husband and wife team. We're both from design backgrounds.
Yeah.
Our passion starts with design. We've got this great business now, and a year and a half ago when we moved to this more commercial property and the business started to grow, we just felt like we needed support on the business side of things, on planning, on marketing, on all these things that we really didn't have any idea about. So when we joined Bucks Business First, it was great to see all the workshops that are available to us.
Bucks Business First has helped us focus going forward into actually we have got a great business here and we can grow it quite considerably. It's been invaluable meeting the experts and getting their knowledge, and it's the lean manufacturing, how that's working through implementation through what we're doing, and that's actually driving efficiency in the business, which will create more gaps in our schedule to essentially grow the business.
And also the workshops just have given us an opportunity to have that day out and to focus on whether it's the strategic planning one, where actually during that workshop we completely changed our mindset on the vision of how we saw the business. The lady that's running it said a really important thing where she said the best thing to do is just to do what you do and do it really well. So going forward, we're definitely going to continue to be really involved in Bucks Business First. It's been so helpful for our business, and it came at such a crucial time of growth for us.
Advice for anyone out there who's looking for help and support: it does exist. Reach out to BBF, get in contact. I'm sure they'll welcome you with open arms and try and help you as much as they can. It's been great for us.